welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video is something different that I never thought about, and my daughter is the one who said, oh mommy, you should just try this, and you know, it's something different that nobody ever did on YouTube, and I guess basically I'm gonna be the first one to do it. So my daughter is the one who told me about it though. She's right here. That's my daughter. So she's the one who told me about this thing, and I was like, oh really, you know, that's good. So I'm gonna be trying it. So thank you, goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you too.
Okay guys, so pretty much my whole entire foundation is on. It's all about the eyes only for this video. So basically what she said I should do is I should pick a palette, one palette, and then I should count how many colors is in the palette, and then put it on a piece of paper, and then scramble it up and do like a raffle. So you're gonna choose a number, 3 numbers, and then whatever number you chose, this is a color you should use. So basically it's like a raffle thing. So I did use the 39A palette. You guys know it's 39 shades in the 39A Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and I already put these in the pocket, in the box thing. So this is 39 shades in here, and I put it in on a paper and I put it in the box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take 3 numbers. I'm not gonna look. So pretty much, listen, right now I'm going to Home Depot, right? And whatever is on my face, that's how I'm gonna be going to Home Depot looking like. So I'm praying to God that it comes out good, but I don't know why I thought that this is gonna be a good idea to do my makeup and want to go outside, but my daughter said do it. So pretty much that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So basically I'm gonna take 3 numbers. So it's 1, not looking, 2, oh god, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna put these to the side, and then let's see which number I chose. Okay, so I did number 10. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is number 10. The other one is, wow, number 1. And then the other one is number 13. So basically you don't have to go with each numbers onto your eyelid. So say I chose number 10 for the first one, you don't have to choose number 10 in the color for your shade. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna check which one is number 1 and 13 and 10. So pretty much this is definitely number 1, right? This is number 1, and then number 10 is, this is number 10 right here. So this is 1, this is 10, and then this is 13. So I'm gonna choose this one, and this one. I mean, these are pretty good colors, to be honest. Like, I don't mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. These don't have any names, so I really don't know what name it is, but these are the 3. 1, 2, 3. So let me go ahead and just fix my eyelid because it's creasing up on me. I did put the concealer. So okay guys, so I'm gonna go into number 10 right here, and normally with my transition shade I always go into like a 1 or 2 shades lighter than me. No, 1 or 2 shades darker than me, so this is fine. So I'm gonna go into number 10, and I'm gonna use that as the transition shade. And this is a very dark chocolate color, and Morphe's palettes are very pigmented, so be careful when you put these color. Take your time and you'll be fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it on and build it up. I really don't know where this makeup look is gonna go, to be honest, but I'm just going to go with the flow. Wherever my hand take me, I'm gonna go and do it. So pack this on. And then I'm going to go ahead and take another brush and just blend out the harsh lines. Okay, so the other shade I'm gonna go into is, oh my god, I don't know. Should I go into number 13, which is this one, or number 1? Number 1 is a little bit shimmer. It has shimmer in it. Also number 13, but a little bit. This one have more. So I think I might put this on the eyelid. So I'm gonna go into number 13, which is like a dark cranberry color. Not really cranberry, but it's a little bit lighter than the other one. But I'm gonna go into that one here. I'm gonna take it onto another brush and I'm gonna put it right at the end and blend it into my crease, which normally I really don't use these color for the second shade for my crease, but right now let's see how this eye look come out. And then I'm gonna go into the first shade because the first shade is kind of a little bit disappearing. So I'm gonna go into, where is my brush that I used for the first shade? Okay, so I'm gonna go into the first shade and take it onto the brush and just blend out the harsh line on top, just so that the other shade could show up. So I'm just gonna dip it in a little bit just to blend with the other one. Okay guys, so what do you think? How is it looking so far? I don't know. So next I'm gonna go into the last shade and I'm gonna take this onto a flat, should I use this brush? I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush and I am gonna spray my brush because I don't really know how this is gonna come out. And I want my eyelid to pop more. So I'm gonna go into that and I'm gonna go ahead and take it onto the brush and just pack it on onto my eyelid. Okay guys, wow, this is looking good so far. It's not bad. So I'm gonna go into the second shade that I use just to blend out the sides because I want both of them to be like blending together. So I'm gonna take the second shade and I'm just gonna tap it right to the side and just let it blend together. And also be careful because the last shade does have a little bit of fallout. So be careful with that. But this is looking good. I like this. So should I leave my eyes looking like this? Like, do I need lashes? Do I need mascara? Should I do that? I think the lashes and the mascara will definitely let the eyes pop more. So I'm gonna quickly do that. And you guys know I'm gonna go into the Bad Girl Bang mascara. Okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly off camera do my other eyes same way, nothing different, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I did the other side. I put on my mascara and my lashes. So now I'm gonna go into my blush just to finish off the face because I mean, even though this, you know, makeup tutorial is not about it, but my face has to say it all. And you have to put on blush, mascara, highlight, and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna quickly do that. And you guys know I am going into my Anastasia for my blush. And I'm gonna go into my NYX for my contour. And like, if you guys love these kind of stuff, let me know. Like, I mean, I can't believe my daughter came up with this. Like, it's crazy how she just think and she's like, get in front of the camera, do your thing. You know, you gotta be creative on YouTube. You can't do the same thing all the time. So it's really fun to do stuff like this. Like, I will never in a million years thought about this. And my daughter came up with this, and she was like, Mommy, you need to do this. You need to get into the camera, get in front of the camera, and do this makeup look, because no one on YouTube ever did this, and I haven't seen anybody on YouTube do this. So, but anybody watching and you guys know someone who started this, just tag them below in the comment section so that I could give them credit, because I'm not the kind of person who just go and do stuff and somebody else already do it and then I give myself credit. That's not right. So all of my viewers out there, if you're watching and you know someone who ever tried this before on YouTube, not even on YouTube, like Instagram and stuff like that, just tag them below and just, you know, let me give them credits. All right, so yeah. So for my blush, my highlight. So for my highlight, I'm gonna go into my Fenty, and I'm gonna take both colors and just sweep it onto my cheeks. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the same highlight, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of color into right here, because it's missing something. Just like that. So just gonna pop it in. And then I'm gonna take my oil lighter from Urban Decay and spray my face. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section how I did, if you like this kind of, you know, different makeup vibes and stuff like that. You know, you gotta change it up sometime. You gotta switch it up and just be creative. And this one was very, very creative, thanks to my daughter. And this is kind of like a smoky eye. I haven't done smoky eye in a very long time, and it's kind of fun and refreshing to bring that back. You know, even though the summer is coming, like it's here already, because right now it's over 70 degrees. It's almost 80 degrees right now. So yeah, the summer is coming. But I like this. Let me know if you like this too. It turned out very well. I ain't gonna lie, it turns out very well. And I'm gonna let my daughter see it for the first time. She hasn't seen it yet, so she is my critique. She's gonna let me know if this looks good. So I'm gonna bring her up here. Damn, are you ready to see my makeup? Let me know if you're ready. You wanna see it now?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
You like it? You do? Mama look good?
You look like a vampire. Do you though, yeah?
You don't like it?
You look like a vampire.
I look like a vampire. Why? Because it's dark and smoky?
Yeah.
Exactly.
You look like a vampire.
I don't look like a vampire. That's not right. You're a hater. Get out of here. Let me do my thumbnail.
I gave you a compliment, didn't I?
You said I look like a... That's not a compliment.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Okay. So she said I look like a vampire. I don't know what to say, guys. I really don't know what to say. Like, how do a vampire look? I really don't know. Do you think I look like a vampire? Like, listen, let me know in the comment section, because I look good. I'm looking at the monitor right now and my face look good. It's a dark smoky eye, so I don't know where you get vampire from. But anyways, this is my finished look. And if you're doing something like this, tag me. Follow me on Instagram and just tag me. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday for more video. And make sure you turn on your notifications so you can notify from me every time I do upload. Alright guys, so before you go, don't forget to watch this video right here, right now, on the screen. Click it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.